Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Eddie from Average Joe Drinks.
And I'm Vince, and we're here to make drinks suitable for the average Joe. Just like my father intended when he spent the bulk of his life collecting drink recipes. We're going to share some with you now, although half the time Eddie's are his own creation.
Or I see them somewhere, but yes. So, sit back, enjoy, and please try this at home.
And honestly, you guys, his creations are usually better than my dad's drinks.
I don't know. They're not as strong, usually, because your dad's drink could put more hair on your chest. So anyways, so we're going to make
a beer.
We're done. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. So this is another one that I saw that I wanted to try. This is called a Corona Sunrise. So what we're going to do is we have to drink the beer to that point.
Down to the label?
Yeah. So, pre-cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
He's got practice.
I'm just saying. Mine's already there.
No, that's good. I haven't had a Corona in a long time.
So there we go. Thanks for watching. No, so okay, what we're doing is, kind of a tequila sunrise is tequila, orange juice.
The sun.
The sun. Okay, we're good. Got this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an ounce of tequila in the beer. There you go. There's yours. And this is normal. I use the jiggers, but this has a little pour spout, so it just makes it a little bit easier to actually get it in the beer.
I've been drinking less, so this is probably going to end badly for me.
That's okay. And then we're going to do 2 ounces, give or take, of the orange juice. There you go.
Thank you.
And we're going to pour this in the beer. And it should get, we want to get just, might not be too, maybe, no, actually that's about perfect, 2 ounces. A splash of Grenadine.
Dude, that actually is really cool.
There we go, splash of Grenadine. A little more.
Is that a more?
Yeah, that's good enough. So now we're going to put the lime in here, just like you do with any Corona. Some people do the thumb. I do the finger, get it mixed. Let the lime go all the way to the top. I did wash my hands, and this is my drink. So.
Oh, that's awesome. I think we might have to.
Very depending on your finger size. So. And that's actually cool if you get it right. The lime actually stays down there, so it looks pretty cool. And then, you ready? Maybe. Okay. And cheers. That is a Corona Sunrise.
That's actually pretty cool looking. Interesting. I'm not sure I prefer it to a regular Corona because I'm a beer guy, but it is kind of cool.
I don't know, I like it. That's dangerous also for me.
So of course it's going to be sweeter than a beer. Mm-hmm. You got the...
Think of it as a cocktail. If you think of it as a beer, you're going to be, it'll be a little bit different on your taste buds. But for me, I thought, in my mind, I'm thinking cocktail, and it's quite tasty. Should a little bit more Grenadine. You don't have to, but...
And that'd be fun at a party. I mean, just the fun factors there.
Everyone can do it. You can get your own. You can put as much as you want in there. You like it sweeter, you like it less sweet. But either way, that is the Corona Sunrise.
Sunshine.
I was trying not to burp, so as I was trying to talk, it just didn't work very well. But that is that's our drink. So we hope you like what you saw today. There's the burp. Sorry. If you did, please like the video if you're watching on YouTube. Subscribe if you have not. We're actually getting pretty close to 1,000 followers, which is pretty exciting. So, if you want to share and you can help us get there, we will be very excited. Maybe that 1,000th follower we'll get some kind of giveaway. Vince said he's going to fork all the money out, so I appreciate that. So,
oh yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
As soon as I get paid, my doctor when I cut my finger. Measure your finger before you do this.
Have you ever told anybody to measure their finger?
No, this is all new for me.
Anyways, so yes, please do all those things.
And thank you for watching. We are
social media.
We have a blog, Average Joe Drinks. We're on Facebook at Average Joe Drinks.
Facebook is active, right?
Facebook is still active.
Yeah.
We're going to revamp all the rest. We've been promising you that for years. We're going to continue to promise that for years until it happens.
Absolutely, yeah.
Once it happens, we're going to declare great victory.
And we'll TikTok if that's a verb. If it isn't a verb, it is now. So we're going to start that. We'll get those out there.
Tweet and tick and talk.
Sounds like a song.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for watching.